So you have a math exam coming up and you're trying to figure out how to best study for it. Well, you've come to the right place. My name is Mr. Hamilton and I've taught math for the last 15 years and I have some great strategies to help you here. Unfortunately, the story of too many students, and maybe this is your story as well, is that they try to do every single one of the review questions assigned and are often overwhelmed. That was me. Study the night before and you stay up really late. Maybe you get frustrated when you aren't getting that one question right. Then you go to bed stressed, and the morning of, you review all your notes and bombard friends with the questions you're still stuck on. You grab a quick snack for breakfast as opposed to a complete breakfast, and you're not feeling full and ready to write the exam. Then you go into the exam tired and stressed. Well, if that's you, here are some great strategies. Even if that isn't you fully, here are some strategies to help you with that. The first one is this. Do not stay up late and cram only the night before. So many students procrastinate their studying. You have to make a plan. And so what you want to do is you want to make a study plan well in advance, 2 to 3 hours a day for several days, and then stick to that plan. Put in an agenda or something like that and have friends help you be accountable to continue doing that. A third thing is to not do every review question assigned or only review your notes. Yes, don't do every question. You actually want to do the ones that you need to do, as we'll come to in a moment. Number 4, correct and review all tests and assignments. What's on the exam is a subsection of what's already on the test, which is already a subsection of what you've learned in the course. And so what you want to do is you want to make sure you've corrected and reviewed all tests and assignments and start your studying there. That'll tell you where you need to focus your studying. You also want to go through all the notes and examples from the course and make a summary sheet of your course. Literally reading through all your notes and just making quick notes about what the main things are from those. The more we can synthesize our understanding, the better. Then we want to complete extra practice review questions for the concepts you're still unclear on. Not every review question assigned, only the ones you need extra practice on. Maybe one type of question for the other ones as well, but don't do 10 questions on something you already know how to do. Number 7, do not rely only on friends to help with concepts. Friends are great to study with, they're great to compare things with, but if your friends aren't getting it, go to someone who does get it. Maybe it's another student, but better than that is going to your teacher. Ask to sit down with your teacher to go over tricky concepts. They may have office hours, but even if they don't, I'm sure they'd be more than happy to meet with you and help you succeed on your exam. Number 9, do not aim for the lowest mark you need to pass. So many students say, what's the lowest I need? They're setting the bar low. Set the bar high. Aim for a high mark. Aim to get a better mark on your exam than you have in the semester and study and work towards that. And that's what these strategies will help you do. And number 10, find strategies to deal with stress and to excel. Maybe it's prayer. Maybe it's exercising. Especially as you're studying, don't study for hours on end without taking a physical break and somehow getting exercise. It doesn't mean it has to be that you go for a big run, but it could just be that you're doing push-ups or squats or something to get your blood flow going and your blood flowing back to your brain again. Maybe work on breathing exercises. There's so many strategies online, but find some strategies to help you deal with your stress. Colin Powell, the former U.S. Secretary of State, said this: "Success is the result of perfection, hard work, learning from failure, loyalty, and persistence." Those are all things we're after when we go and we learn math. We learn from our failure, we work hard, and we get topics perfected. We're loyal with it, and we persist. You'll notice 2 videos coming up on your screen right now. One is all of grade 10 math in 1 hour, and the other is all of grade 11 math in 2 hours. So if you're taking either one of those courses, I hope you find those excellent resources to help guide your studying. Again, it's not the only thing you should be doing, but they're very, very good review questions that we go through in each of those videos. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I hope you have a great day.